This is Neeta Pathare, founder and director of Cobalt Arts. Thank you, Dr. Minal Rajurkar, for covering the success story of Cobalt Arts through your YouTube channel, Art Hub India. It is indeed a very nice initiative to capture different stories about art and artists from all over India. Cobalt Arts has completed 5 years this year. I would love to share this journey with you.
Cobalt Arts had a launch show Para at Jahangir Art Gallery, Mumbai. The idea behind Cobalt Arts was to provide platform to young talented artists from the interiors of India, along with the established and master artists through curated shows. This show was a great success and was appreciated a lot by artists, art lovers and art collectors. Our journey thus began and we have never looked back. Our next exhibition at Lalit Kala Academy, New Delhi was appreciated a lot. In a short time, we got an opportunity to curate an international exhibition at DuckTat, Dubai. Their managing committee was highly impressed with the quality of work that we showcased. Our journey of exhibitions continued with many more showcases like Krishna Dhaval, a black and white themed exhibition at Bajaj Art Gallery at Mumbai, and Arabdha at Taj Art Gallery, Mumbai.
Over the past years, our artists have received appreciation from art connoisseurs, art lovers, and we started getting recognition for our quality works. So along with exhibitions, we started working with developers, architects and government organizations. Let's have a look at some of our key projects.
Metal scrap sculpture by sculptor Pradeep Shinde at GPO Pyao CST for the Pyao restoration project by BMC. Used plastic bottles recycled installation by JJ students at Carter Road, Bandra. The bronze sculpture by sculptor Pradeep Shinde at Omkar 1973, Worli. The proud project of Cobalt Arts is an exhibition on the occasion of birth century of famous personality of Marathi literature, cinema, music and theatre, the one and only P.L. Deshpande, Maharashtraचे लाडके व्यक्तिमत्व. This project was in collaboration with Cultural Department of Maharashtra Government. The exhibition was curated on the basis of P.L. Deshpande's multi-talented personality. We displayed his portraits, GIFs, illustrations and sculptures. These all artworks were done by famous and budding artists. Also audiovisuals and photographs.
Cobalt Arts has always thought out of the box, and recently we have come up with the idea of Art Cafe.
In collaboration with Omkar developers, we have started Art Cafe at Omkar 1973, Worli. We are showcasing different artworks there and we are planning to do lot of art activities to engage people. We are extremely proud of all artists who are associated with us and the work we are doing to create awareness of art.
Press the bell icon to get our new videos.